in this beautiful jungle live many flora and faunas. The beautiful of the nature lie in this jungle. The green trees around safely ground and cover the earth. This jungle, this jungle was located in Lumut. Its popular name was Bukit Angkubusu. Look above us. You will see the green leaves full around us. This nature lived long ago before us. It was very beautiful. Look into it and feel the soul of the nature.
Hello, good morning everyone. Now I'm at Bukit Busu and I have arrived at the first quarter of Bukit Busu, and after that I will move to the upper stage of Bukit Busu. Okay, I will show you the magnificence of flora on this Bukit Busu. Hi, swimming again. Quite exhausted. I think it's been a while for me to go to jungle trekking since I have reached third quarter of Bukit Busu. You can see many beautiful flora, nature of God. You can see around me. Okay, now we go down. We go back to our to my house to my car. We finish to the we finish jungle trekking at this Bukit Busu. Okay, so let's go.
So I have completed my jungle hiking. This is review of the top of Bukit Busu. So let's enjoy it. Thank you.
When talking about interesting place in Yan Kedah, most of us would have a thought about Titi Hayun, Pantai Buni, Gunung Jerai and Tanjung Dawai. Titi Hayun, a famous place and eye-catching waterfall, has dominated people's heart as a destination to ease the tension during holiday. A place that provides a lot of facility and well equipped with the various activities has won over people's heart for a long time ago. This place is suitable to the family as they can spend their time together while doing recreational activity. For those who do not know this place, Titi Hayun is located far away 3 km from the town of Yan and 40 km from the star. Although it is quite far away from our state capital, it is reachable as the road that can connect this vacation spot in high maintenance and very convenient to the visitor. Visitor can choose to go to this spot by using a car or by using a motorcycle. As a vacation spot, facility provide also in a tip-top condition. For a long distance traveller, they can stay at the homestay or chalet in order to feel more closer to the nature. They also have a food store to fill craving tummy after an enjoyable bathing, and also have toilet to clean ourselves before changing our clothes. Titi Hayun also got its own bridge that made hang traverse the waterfall. This bridge has made this place got its name, which is Titi Hayun. So if you're interested to go to Titi Hayun, you can come to Yan Kedah and enjoy your holiday. Now I want to share you some picture at Titi Hayun and Pantai Muni. Assalamualaikum and good evening. Hi to everyone. Now I am at Pantai Muni. By coming to this place, we can see a picturesque view that show Gunung Jerai. Okay. Then Pulau Telur and Pulau Bunting.
the back. Other than that, we can also spend our time at the nearest waterfall, which are Titi Hayun waterfall and Batu Hampa waterfall. These two locations are not far from another, and it only take for about 2 minutes to reach each destination. What are interesting in this place is its accommodation provided. That jetty. That are jetty. Food court and playground. Many parents bring their children to spend their valuable moment at this place, as there are a lot of activity that we can be done. At this moment, I got one of visitor that frequently come to this place to tell us about his opinion. How about your opinion about this place?
Oh, I think this place is very good. This place can be a good place for us to tighten our bonding with our family. As you can see, there's a lot of visitors here, and they do a lot of activities, such as they picnic here. So I think everyone should come to Pantai Murni with their family to make themselves happy. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you.
If you come to Pantai Murni, you should try
The food in this place is very scrumptious. A friend of mine has given it a try. Let us know what is his comment.
Good. You can see the daging, the meat was very, it was very delicious, and you should try. Okay, mark my words. Come here and try biusu.